In any email that you send, if you want to add in a file attachment, then you can easily do that in mails that you send from Gmail as well. So to do that, I'm going to go around and click on Compose right here, and I'm going to say example attachment over here. So the attachment can be of any format, but it should be under 25 megabytes if you're planning to directly attach it from your computer. So I'm going to go around over here and type in an email address right here that I want to send the attachment to. And let me just go around onto full screen right here. So now in order to add in the attachment, you can go around onto the bottom and you can see attach files is an option. So you need to click around over here and it opens up your Explorer window. So now what you can do is you can select out a file that you want to add as an attachment. In my case, I'm selecting the TutorTube logo right here, and you can see it's uploading out the attachment right here. Let me just go around over here and click on attach files, and you can also upload multiple attachments all at once as well. For example, I'm going to go around over here onto, let's say for example, this file right here, and as well as this file right here. So I'm holding control in order to select both of the files at once. And if I were to click on open, now you can see both of the attachments are uploaded. As long as they are under 25 MB, you can directly upload out attachments like this and then hit the send button in order to send the attachments. So if I were to go around and view the message that I sent, you can see the attachments right here and the previews of the attachments. The previews are displayed as long as it is supported by the preview of Gmail. And that is how you can attach out files directly from your computer while sending out emails. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.